This video will show you how to add images to PDF with PDFgear's free online tool, offline software, and mobile app. Search for PDFgear in your browser. The website offers many online PDF tools. Select the Edit feature and click the Select PDF File button to open the PDF you need. Click the Stamp button in the top menu, then choose Custom Stamp. Choose an image file from your device. You can drag and drop the handles or the image object to adjust its size or position. Click Change Opacity in the top menu to adjust the image transparency. Right-click the image to copy it, then right-click anywhere to paste. You can also right-click to remove unwanted images. You can click the Download button at the top right or bottom right corner to download the PDF file. PDFgear software for Windows is a good choice for PC users. Download and install PDFgear from the official website, then launch and open the app on your Windows computer. Go to the Edit toolbox and click the Add Image button. From there, choose an image file from your device to add to the PDF. Drag on the added image to resize it or reposition it. Right-click the image and choose Duplicate to copy it. To remove an image, right-click and select Delete Comment. When you're done adding the image, click the upper left Save As button to save the PDF with new images. PDFgear software for Mac also provides a unique feature to edit images in PDF. Download PDFgear from the App Store. Launch the app and open the PDF file. Go to the Fill and Sign toolbox and click the Image button. From there, choose an image file from your device to add to the PDF. To adjust the image, drag it to resize or move it where you want. To replace an image in the PDF, select it and click the Replace button in the top toolbar, then choose a new one. Image editing options such as rotation, horizontal or vertical flipping, and cropping can be found in the top menu bar. For quicker access, you can also right-click directly on the image to perform these actions. To duplicate an image, right-click the image and select Copy, then right-click the target location and choose Paste to place the copied image. To delete an image, use the Delete button in the top menu bar, right-click the image and select Delete, or press the Delete key on your keyboard. When you're done working, click the Exit Editing button to exit the text editing mode. Finally, click the Save As button to save your PDF with the images you've added. Android users can download PDFgear from the Google Play. Download and install it on your Android device. Launch the PDFgear app on your Android phone or tablet. Tap the plus icon to import the PDF file. Click the Edit button to go to the default PDF editing mode, Annotation. Then type the Annotate button and select the Fill and Sign option. Click the Stamp button on the upper menu bar and tap Create Stamp in the pop-up menu below. In the window that appears, tap the Image tab to open the image selection panel, then choose the image you'd like to insert. After you add the image, you can drag to resize it or move it wherever you want on the page. Click the image to show the top toolbar, then use the Rotate button to adjust its angle. Tap the Copy button to copy the image, then long press anywhere to paste it. In this section, you can crop or delete your image. You'll also find advanced layout options, such as bringing the image forward or sending it backward. Simply click the More button on the right to access these tools. To finish, tap the three-dot icon in the upper right corner. From there, you can either save the edited PDF or share it with others through your preferred method. PDFgear is also a free app for iPhone and iPad. Download PDFgear from the App Store and install it. Open the app on your phone and tap the lower right plus icon to add a PDF you need. Tap the Edit button to go to the default PDF editing mode, Annotation. Then type the Annotate button and select the Fill and Sign option. Tap the Stamp button on the upper menu bar and tap Create Stamp in the pop-up menu below. Tap on the Image tab in the subsequent window and select a picture on your mobile phone to add to the PDF. Then drag the image to resize or reposition it. You can also copy or delete your image as needed. Lastly, tap the top right triple dots button to save or share the modified PDF. Download PDFgear and give it a try. See you in the next video.